a part of an NGO called Balgram, which is from Lonavala. So I'd like to have Shubhangi Bor to please come on stage quickly. Shubhangi Bor. They have a very, very difficult life, but today you're gifting this cycle as happiness and joy to these kids, guys. Aren't you feeling proud of yourselves? Yeah. Sentiro! Guys, now, you know what you guys have done? You've built a cycle and you're gifting it to 3 kids, ladies and gentlemen, to these kids, guys. Aren't you feeling proud of yourselves? Sentiro!
Thank you so much for nice gifts to our children. We have an orphanage home at Lonavala and we visit whenever you will get to. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. तुम्हाला सायकल येते चालायला? येते? हाँ? You want to go down with cycle? Be with all the people of Sentiro? You want to go down? Yeah? Come on, yeah, guys. Yeah. Come on. There we go.